This is how to fix a defocused image. Now you can see this girl here, and it's just a little bit out of focus throughout the whole video. The same problem. So to fix this, so you can use this footage because it's a little bit too blurry, what you do is they add the track twice. This could be with any editor. This is with Sony Vegas. And then on the second track you add the effect of sharpen. Okay, now I'm going to sharpen it 100. So it's obviously not showing yet, but if I solo it you can see, you know, that's a lot better. But it's just a bit too how do I say it? It's a little bit too sharp. So what I want to do, the reason why I've had two tracks is I'm going to set the opacity of the top track so it just looks more natural. So it's usually about 50% ish. It depends what you want really. Maybe about 40 on this one, 41%. So if you now compare, so you've got that there and that how it was before, you know, it is a usable track now. But before it, you know, it was borderline usable. And that's it, give it a try. You could also do the same with pictures by doing this and then taking a snapshot of the picture. To do that you can just say if you wanted a snapshot, click on that when it's best full, or that button there, and then you got a snapshot of that image. Give it a try.